We are using all methodologies at school by teaching every subject, and we think that it's a very good way to learn from other countries.
To make it easier to students to understand complex context.
My motivation stems from the fact that Erasmus has moulded my education from when I was in college, and I want to bring that to any school that I teach in. And also STEM is at the forefront of the Irish education system, so I felt that combining STEM with Erasmus would be a great way of making not just an Irish issue but also broaden it into Europe.
This gives me a good opportunity to meet colleagues from all over Europe teaching the same content but maybe in a different way and discuss didactics.
I've heard from other colleagues who've been involved in other Erasmus projects about how they've learned a lot from teachers from other countries, other ways of going about things, and I wanted to experience that for myself. And also that I'm looking for ways of teaching STEM, which is a big part of our education system.
To learn more about education and to meet new friends and teachers with the same content or science subjects as I.
As a physics teacher, I've always been interested in the gender question because I've always been a minor as a female in the academic world. So my interest is actually my motivation is to try to make the females more interested to continue to study physics after in the university.
An expectation is that I will both meet other teachers, learn new ways of doing things, but also learn how to develop new tools to engage with my students on a different level.
Good cooperation in the group, the development of exciting tools, and a good cooperation for the future.
To learn new ways to teach and to motivate our students to learn STEM subjects. Because I, as a physics teacher, know that it's a very few amount of girls that are going to this kind of studies at university.
To learn more, of course, about the tools and other countries, how they learn, how they use the schools and the systems and how it's arranged together. So
to do the project in a fun environment, to create work for students that will be on their level and something they're interested in, and also then to expand my connections through Europe.
Well, one is to learn how to produce more multimedia, and one is to actually learn from different countries also how they work.
On a personal level, to be more confident in using digital tools and develop them myself. And then on a broader level, of course, enhancing our students' interests and performances in the science topics.